Hi, this is Teacher Fikri and today I'm going to show you on how to play Netball Set. So let's go! So let me show you on how to play Netball Set, which is the first one is to gather up at least 2 players. The more the merrier, of course. And then next is I want you to set up Netball Set here. And then the third one is which is each turns player gets to score, which is three ball per person. Okay, so each take turns, and then whoever score the highest win. So let's see. Yeah, 1, 2. I got to score 2 out of 3 only. As you can see, when you play netball, there are 3 benefits I want to share with all of you parents. The first one is to improve eye-hand coordination. What do I mean by eye-hand coordination? So when you're able to see, you can able to control how you, for example, when we write, it's important for you to see what are you writing so that you can write from left to right, up to down, etc. And same goes for these types of game. It helps you to stay focused. It also helps you to be more accurate and also proficiency when in terms of fine motor skills. And then the next one is I would say to practice social cue, because when playing with at least 2 players, you need to wait for your turn, right? So it's almost related to our reality, and it helps them to able to understand the term wait for their turn, wait in the queue line, and then last but not least, which is to improve gross motor skill. What I mean by gross motor skill, which is these muscles, big muscle. When we throw, we need to use our big muscle, and if you can't use big muscle, how can you use small muscle like writing, put on button, and etc. And then for age appropriate, I would say 3 years and above would be great. So that's all from me. Thank you.